Hello student, welcome back. Here we have the third part of law of indices. We already discussed about the first part and second part some days ago. You can check there. Today we will solve some questions regarding to the law of indices. Okay, first question is the simplify 1 upon 1 minus a to the power x minus y plus 1 upon 1 minus a to the power y minus x. Here I solved some steps you can see here. Now let's describe that one. Okay, here we have the question 1 upon 1 minus a to the power x minus y plus 1 upon 1 minus a to the power y minus x, which is equal to, this can be written as 1 upon, see, 1 minus this a to the power x minus y. Here minus is given, minus y is given. In case of minus sign we can divide like this, right? Okay, plus minus a to the power x divided by a to the power y, plus same here 1 upon 1 minus a to the power y divided by a to the power x. Now is equal to 1 upon, this total becomes the denominator of the total term, right? Now here you can see the first one is the LCM. We have to take the LCM. This is the LCM. A to the power y is the LCM. We can take totally, okay, divided by see, the denominator of 1 is 1, so we have to, what we have to do, a to the power y, here the LCM is a to the power y, a to the power y divided by y is a to y is a to the power y. So here a to the power y minus, see, numerator denominator a to the power y divided LCM a to the power y divided by a to the power y is 1 into the numerator, 1 into numerator is a to the power x, 1 into a to the power x is a to the power x. Similarly 1 plus 1 upon x to a to the power x minus a to the power y divided by a to the power x. See, this is the totally denominator, right? Denominator, this is the denominator, it moves to the numerator. It means that a to the power y divided by a to the power y minus a to the power x plus sign a to the power x whole divided by a to the power x minus a to the power y, which is equal to, now you can see here a to the power y minus a to the power x, but here is a to the power x minus a to the power y. The term are different, so we have to take the LCM, minus sign, common minus sign we have to take, a to the power y divided by a to the power y minus a to the power x, okay, plus sign a to the power x divided by, here we have to take minus sign a to the power y minus a to the power x. It becomes, see, minus into a to the power y is minus a to the power y, minus minus plus a to the power x, it becomes same, is equal to a to the power y whole divided by a to the power y minus a to the power x. See, minus into plus is here minus sign a to the power x divided by a to the power y minus a to the power x. Here we have the same term, a to the power y minus a to the power x, a to the power y minus a to the power x. Now we can take the LCM, right? Okay, let us take the LCM here. A to the power y minus a to the power x is the LCM, because there are the same term, so we have to take only one common term, right? Okay, LCM divided by denominator, it means 1 remaining, 1 into a to the power y, a to the power y minus a to the power x, you will get, is equal to a to the power y minus a to the, all the cancel out, remaining 1, which is the answer. Okay, here we have next question, is that prove that 7 to the power x plus 1 minus 7 to the power x whole divided by 12 into 7 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 2. It means that we have to prove that this total terms, left hand side total term equal to right hand side total 1 upon 2, right? Okay, let's prove that. Proof. LHS is equal to 7 to the power x plus 1 minus 7 to the power x whole divided by 12 into 7 to the power x. Here we have the LHS, left hand side is this term, okay, which is equal to 7 to the power x into 7, right? Because the law of indices, you can see a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So here a to the power x to the power 7, 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 1, we can say this one, minus 7 to the power x whole divided by 12 into 7 to the power x, which is equal to, let us take the common term from these two terms. It means that 7 to the power x, 7 to the power x is the common, so we can take 7 to the power x is the common, so remaining is 7 minus, so see here 7 to the power x is already common, remaining 1. 7 to the power x into 7 is 7 to the power x into 7, minus sign 7 to the power x into 1 is 7 to the power x, whole divided by 12 into 7 to the power x. We can cancel this one, okay, is equal to 6 by 12 remaining, which is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Like this we have to solve, not answer, this is we have to prove, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the proved. Okay, like this we can prove this type of question. This is very simple question. If you practice this type of question, you will simplify it easily. Okay, if you like this video, then what to do, you know that you have to subscribe. Here I have some questions for you. Prove that 2 to the power 2x plus 5 minus 2 to the power 2x whole divided by 16 into 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2. Another question, prove that x to the power m plus n minus x to the power m minus n whole divided by x to the power m into x to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x to the power n. You have to prove the question. Let's see who will prove this first.